Hello, welcome back to our channel. We have returned from our family trip to Ibiza and we've put together a food vlog to share with you some of the great dishes that we sampled. Being big seafood lovers, our first spot for dinner was Es Noré in Ibiza town, right by the waterfront. The mixed seafood platter was everything we were hoping for in a dish. The grilled sea bass and octopus were also very fresh and delicious. In the marina close where we were staying, we checked out Trattoria del Mar, which is an Italian restaurant with homemade pastas and breads, which we thoroughly enjoyed. Also situated in the marina is our favorite restaurant from the trip at Santa Mar. Starting with unique and refreshing cocktails, changing with every visit, the food was not only extremely delicious, but also served beautifully. The most gorgeous and original decor was found in La Brasa de Ibiza, where although the cocktails didn't look like much, they were delicious and inspired us a pre-dinner cocktail tradition at home. In between visiting our favorite restaurant for dinner a couple of more times, we stopped off for some pizza for lunch in Don Peppo in Old Ibiza town, which was lovely. And a very delicious lunch in Es Noré. It didn't disappoint both times we went during the trip. For our final night's dinner, we ended up trying the very first restaurant we had wanted to visit the first night that we arrived, and it was absolutely worth the wait. All of us, feeling a little seafood saturated, ordered fillet beef steak, which were all cooked to perfection. The desserts were incredibly delicious and we highly recommend the restaurant to anybody. In the final section of this video, we just have to mention our favorite breakfast place from the holiday, Box 7. Their food is impeccably fresh and tastes just right, as you can probably tell from the photos. With that, I'll sign off. Stay tuned for the next episode of Culinary Haven, resuming to regular programming next week. Until next time, bye!